Hi, Michael Sports Guns here. Today we're going to have a quick look at the new umarex M4 Colt. This one is a 177 spring piston brake action rifle. Full metal barrel. Rifled. The barrel length is 383mm. All metal, like I said. Synthetic stock, 6-point adjustable M4 rear stock, fitted with shoulder strap attachments to the front and rear. The dummy mag is plastic, ejects the same way as the real thing. They've put a simulated spring selector in the mag. I assume that's for maybe storing pellets or whatnot, but it's a nice little touch. The safety has been replicated to the same as the real thing. Fire and safe modes, really positive action on that. The spring, really light, nice to pull, nice and crisp. Not like some of the others that are on the market that we've had. M4 carbine, Colt markings, very discreet on there. Also a nice little touch on the barrel, 5.56 NATO. The finish on this one is really good. You know, hats off to umarex, they've done a cracking job. Like I said, there's a lot of M4 air guns on the market, and you put this one next to them and it knocks spots off them. A nice little touch here on the side. You've either got the covered rail or it can be removed for a Picatinny weaver rail there for adding red dot or scope. Again, another weaver rail on the top for scopes or red dots. Nice little flip open sights to the rear. You can just be folded down should you want to mount the scope. The foresight is heavy duty synthetic. All in all, it's a thumbs up from us. I'm going to go out, give her a couple of shots on the range and see how she goes. Fingers crossed.